Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for Black Enterprise for having us today. My name is Keneo Weism, and I'm with JP Morgan Chase Advancing Black Pathways team. Advancing Black Pathways was created 5 years ago with the goal of addressing strengthening the financial economy for the Black community and closing the racial wealth gap. Ideally, we look to do this by focusing on 3 pillars: career and skills, hiring more Black talent to JP Morgan, and promoting our senior executives and having more Black senior executives; financial health and wealth, providing educational information for people with financial resources to get more Black homeowners and more Black investors; and then business growth and entrepreneurship, which is close to my heart because it's the pillar I lead, with a focus on providing resources, creating advocacy and capital for Black entrepreneurs. We partner organizations such as the Black Enterprise in helping support educational resources such as this great summit today. The Black Enterprise has been a great partner for us, so definitely appreciate the work. And I'm looking forward to this panel we're about to have about the do's and don'ts of raising capital. So thank you all for the time, and looking forward to today's learnings. Thank you.
Thank you, Kaneo. Appreciate you. Appreciate that money. I'll exchange numbers in the back. All right, everybody. Now coming to the stage, we have our panel coming to us. We have Naima Tyson. Well, actually, let me say Miss Hamilton's ready first. Arlene Hamilton. We'll go Arlene Hamilton first. Arlene, you in the building? She's from Backstage Capital. Give it up for Arlene Hamilton is here representing from Backstage Capital. She said, I checked. All right, we have Naima Tyson also in the building, CTP. Ms. Naima, she is the Executive Director at JP Morgan Chase. Also representing, thank you so much. And we have our moderator, Senior Vice President of Digital Content and Strategic Partnerships for Black Enterprise. Give it up for Justin Barton.
Hello.
Howdy.
Good afternoon.
Everybody hear me? No? Yes?
Yes.
Great. So certainly want to get started today with this panel. It's extremely important. It's the do's and don'ts of raising capital, hosted by JP Morgan. And I want to just start off, just get right into it. For disruptors, what are the different financing options that are available, whether that's loans, grants, equity investments, crowdfunding? How do you tell people they should start raising money for their business?
You just listed them off, most of them. I also want to say it is Arlan. Thank you for correcting. Arlan Hamilton. And
my bad.
It's
I got you.
It's all good. So there are several types of funding. So I'm a venture capitalist who also catalyzes. So I work with venture capital funds, which means I work with money that other people, myself and other people have put together in a pooled fund, make investments out with my partner, Brittany Davis. But I am a big fan of bootstrapping. I'm a big fan of taking the money that you earn and letting your customers be your first investor. That's my my preferred method of getting investment, because it means you have more ownership and more power at the end of the day. So I always try to say that. But yeah, there are grants. I love that we're doing a pitch competition at this event. Pitch competitions are low-key the best hack that I know of. I know a founder, actually in Atlanta, you probably know her, Jewel Burks. Years ago, today she's a millionaire. But years ago, she was trying to raise money for her company and nobody could really get it, right? Early people got it, but maybe couldn't invest like herself at the time. She started doing pitch competitions, and every time I'd see her, she would have gotten 5,000 here, 20,000 here, 25,000 there. She put together a whole round of funding, essentially, through pitch competitions. She then kept focused on her business and building her business and not letting everything else get her down because it was tough. And she ended up being acquired by Amazon. And now she's a millionaire, and she made other millionaires in her company. So don't let the dollar amounts fool you. You can do, I know everybody in this room is creative enough to make those dollars stretch.
Great. So Naima, like you work at JP Morgan, at the commercial banking, mid-market. How do you help people in this